I want to talk to you all about the Airbnb process from start to finish. Because we're noticing that a lot of people think that if they get the right deal with the right amenities, then they're definitely going to be successful. And we've noticed a rather large knowledge gap in what comes after acquiring an Airbnb. So I just wanted to take you guys through the entire process so that you are going to be successful the next time you get your next property. So number one, of course, is about the deal. You got to make sure that it's in a good location, underwrite it properly. All of that stuff definitely matters. Next up is designing it. And I'm not talking about furnishing it. I'm talking about design. Those are two very different things. Just throwing a bunch of furniture in it, like you have to do that anyway, right? You have to put furniture in it. So it should be intentional. The space plan matters. The marketability matters. This is your packaging for your product. So just putting beds and bedrooms and a couch in the living room truly is just not good enough anymore, guys. It has to be more intentional when you're designing, and people can furnish an Airbnb and still get bad results. Just always remember that. The part that everybody underestimates is the install. It is a massive undertaking. If you're furnishing even just something as small as a 3-bedroom, like you have to think of what that entails. How many items is that? It's hundreds of items. It's beds, it's nightstands, it's kitchen items. It's so many different things. So you need clear communication. You need people that know how to assemble and install properly. You need direction. You need guides, like where does what go and how does it get set up. You need so much. Probably that's where the largest amount of people come into play when getting your Airbnb up and running. Staging and photography. This is another super overlooked part of the process. And I think because everybody is so fatigued from their install that they underestimated, that they're like, okay, it looks fine. Let's just like get it photographed because we just want to get it on Airbnb. And that is the biggest mistake that you can make. You still want to take the time to stage it properly and get it photographed. Even though you're probably exhausted, get a professional photographer. This is just part of the cost of getting an Airbnb launched. It's not an extra that would be nice. It is a vital part of the entire journey for success. You can tell, and guests can tell, what's been kind of cheaply photographed with a cell phone and what looks really good. And they're just naturally, psychologically going to be drawn to the better photos. It's just biology. Marketing and launch. Again, people think that, oh, I don't need that. My Airbnb doesn't need that. If you're putting something out there for people to purchase, then you are a business with a product. So you absolutely must think about marketing and launching the property properly. So think about logos. Are you starting an Instagram? Are you doing a direct booking site? All of this matters. Having nice marketing and a professional brand is a part of that and is going to impact your success. And finally, once you have your Airbnb officially launched, it's not over, right? You have to be a host. Using companies like Lodgify are great because then you can automate a lot of your stuff. You can deal with your guest communications, calendars, all of that sort of thing. And especially if you're trying to do it yourself, that's a lot of inbound communication constantly when you're booking guests. You don't want to be on the defense constantly. You want to be offensive and really impact your guest experience, which ultimately is what determines if your business is going to last or not. Because if you're not hosting well, then you're not going to have any guests coming back. So that is the true start to finish journey of acquiring an Airbnb. So if you are thinking about doing that, none of those categories are skippable. You have to do every single one if you truly want to be in the top 1%, making great money and treating it as a business. That's just what you need to do.